Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys dollar arbitrage. The main focus on this video is for you to be able to buy naira with on Amazon worth of maybe $1,000 or $100. How much you have, that's the range you can go. So if you watch this picture on my view here, you can see there is this exchange rate is 440. This where we want to put our focus to. So the only way you can make this profitable for you is have someone that is in abroad. This person in abroad will try to create ebook on Amazon. With ebook you won't have this expensive of shipping, handling, the import tax, this expensive that make this product that this guy you want to ship from outside of the country. So you won't have this expensive expenses. So doing this, creating this ebook, so you have avoid the shipping and handling cost. Then you have avoid this import deposit fee, so this 19,000 and the 41,000. So you only focus on paying 44,000 plus 44,000, maybe 229 296 naira on this item. That's actually the item you want to buy. So creating ebook is going to be easy for you to avoid this expensive. So that's when you'll be able to make money on this. So after doing this person is going, your contact in abroad is going to create a ebook, like maybe a picture of something, then write a story, maybe 4 to 5 paragraph. Then you can make a back and front cover. Then he's going to ramp it at his ebook on Amazon. After doing that, he's going to send you a link to buy. He's going to send a link on Amazon for you to be able to buy this item privately. After sending you the link to buy this ebook privately, then you can, once you make the purchase, then this guy is going to receive 1-to-1 this exchange rate. If the guy put, like, let's take for instance $100, then you buy this with 44,000 plus, then he's going to receive $100 in his Amazon account. Amazon is going to deduct their tax, like their percent, the market fees on their platform. Then after doing this, going to withdraw this money, then change this money on a black market for the rate around 750 or 780. So that's how you do this basically. So if you want me to do this step by step process, then leave a comment in the comment section and subscribe to the channel and turn off the notification bell, so anytime I'll give an update on my YouTube channel, you won't miss any arbitrage opportunity. So thank you guys for your time and see you on the next.